Hello, everybody. I'm here with yet another short snippet for you. This time, the Kachativu. On August 18, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin revived the debate over Kachativu. So let's see what exactly this Kachativu is. Kachativu is an uninhabited, barren 285 acres of island, in which is 14 nautical miles from Rameshwaram. From the historical point of view, the Kachativu island is owned by the kingdom of Ramanand, which is Ramanand of Rameshwaram, which later came under the presidency of Madras under the British rule of India. So, when did the Kachativu become a part of Sri Lanka? In 1974, when the PM Indira Gandhi and Sri Lankan PM SRD Bandar Naike signed an agreement to demarcate the boundaries between two countries in historic waters of Park State and Adams Beach, which is also known as Ram Setu. They signed the agreement. So, what is the importance of Kachativu? Kachativu, for both the countries, it is a large fishing grounds. Fishermen from both the countries are engaged in the fishing activities around the island, and especially the fishermen usually dry their net on the island. Both countries have their own perspective of claiming the Kachativu island. Sri Lanka claimed the sovereignty of Kachativu on the grounds of Portuguese occupied island during the 1505 to 1658 century, and they had the jurisdiction over the island. While India's contention was that the erstwhile Raja of Ramanantha Setupati had the possession of its as a part of the Jameen. So why this issue yet again emerged after the agreement? Because it was revived by the then CM Jayalalitha and recently on August 18 by CM MK Stalin. Because the issues of arresting the fishermen, Tamilian fishermen by the Sri Lankan authorities has raised because they release the fishermen's but the boats and fish nets or other essentials were not written by them, and this is a very pivotal issue for the Tamilians around the Kachativu island. And in December 2022, the center pointed out in its reply in the Rajya Sabha that the Kachativu lies in the Sri Lankan side of the India Sri Lanka international maritime boundary line, and it added that the matter was sub judice in the Supreme Court. So it is very important for the Tamilian Sri Lankans that will we start reclaiming the sovereignty of the Kachadivu island that was in 1974 India handed over to the Sri Lanka. So what are your point of view? Do let me know. So this is basic of Kachativu island that is situated between the India and Sri Lankan. So at last, on the other side of the fear lies freedom. This is Ankit Parmar. Thank you for watching.